For years, NextJS was my go-to. I built countless projects with it. APIs, automations, SaaS. It was fast, flexible, and familiar. When I started working on Editube.io, my automated video editing tool, I naturally defaulted to Node.js. Why wouldn't I? Editube wasn't just another web app. It needed to cut, trim, analyze, and enhance videos automatically using FFMPEG library. And not just once or twice, we're talking heavy processing on every user upload. Suddenly what was fast enough started showing its cracks. At first, I tried optimizing the Node.js setup. Added worker threads, limited concurrency, increased instance sizes. I convinced myself, Node can do this, it just needs some tweaking. But every deploy felt like patching a leaking boat. Memory usage was high, CPU spikes were constant, and worst of all, latency was killing the UX. That's when I realized Python was better to handle video processing. So I tried to do a simple endpoint with FastAPI. Turns out, FastAPI is not just fast, it's perfectly suited for CPU-bound tasks, especially when paired with tools like UVcorn and process-based workers. It's async ready, type-safe, and super lightweight. And suddenly, a thought hit me. What if FastAPI is the backend I should have started with all along? I made the switch. Not just an experiment, a full migration of Editube's video processing logic to FastAPI. Within a day, I had the FFMPEG pipeline running smoother than it ever did on Node.js. And here's the kicker, it used less memory, fewer resources, and handled concurrent tasks more gracefully. Of course, nothing's perfect. I had to rewire some parts of the stack, and it was difficult to deploy it on my VPS using Coolify because there is no easy workflow plugged yet. The real test came when I opened Editube to beta users. Multiple users uploading simultaneously, heavy FFmpeg usage. I watched the dashboard like a hawk. No spikes, no crashes, just clean, stable performance. It felt like FastAPI had unlocked a whole new level of stability. To cap it all, my code is now 3 times lighter than a Node.js backend. Funny thing is, it forced me to question my defaults, to choose the right tool for the job, even if it's outside my comfort zone. Now, I know that my next challenge will be to have a scalable infrastructure, which is actually impossible using a simple VPS. If I have 2 times more users, I will have to change my VPS every time. So the next step will be to have this backend on a cloud based on usage. Well, subscribe to see this happen.